This is a list of the 6 most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2025. Today, I'll break down why Consumer Reports ranks these SUVs as the most dependable on the market. If you want a family hauler, an adventure vehicle, or just a drama-free daily driver, you're in the right place. Reliability means peace of mind. Knowing your SUV will start every morning and get you home safely, without surprise repair bills. I've dug into the latest Consumer Reports data to bring you the best of the best. Let's count down the 6 SUVs that have truly earned their reputation for reliability. First up, the Toyota RAV4, the undisputed king of reliable compact SUVs. Year after year, it tops Consumer Reports charts, thanks to Toyota's focus on proven engineering. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and hybrid systems are refined, efficient, and built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's not the most thrilling engine, but it's smooth, efficient, and incredibly durable. Consumer Reports gives the RAV4 top marks for engine and transmission reliability. Owners report very few major mechanical issues, translating to lower long-term costs. The build quality is solid, nothing flashy, but everything feels sturdy and well assembled. Whether you choose the gas, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime, reliability remains a constant. Toyota's hybrid tech is especially robust, perfected over decades. The RAV4's resale value is another huge plus. These SUVs hold their value exceptionally well. When it's time to sell or trade in, you'll get more of your investment back compared to most rivals. A reliable car isn't just cheap to run, it's a better asset. In short, the RAV4 delivers a bulletproof powertrain, excellent build quality, low ownership costs, and stellar resale value. It may not be flashy, but if you want a vehicle that simply won't let you down, the RAV4 is the one to beat. It's the smart, sensible choice for anyone prioritizing reliability. That's why it leads our list. Next, the Honda CR-V, the RAV4's lifelong rival and a reliability powerhouse in its own right. Honda's engineering is legendary, especially their small turbo engines and hybrids. The 1.5-liter turbo is one of the most reliable in its class, with few major issues reported. The CR-V hybrid is smooth, efficient, and just as dependable as the gas model. Honda's approach gives the CR-V a more engaging drive than the RAV4 without sacrificing reliability. Resale value is strong. Used CR-Vs are always in demand, keeping depreciation low. Inside, the CR-V is spacious, cleverly packaged, and built with quality materials. Consumer Reports owner surveys consistently praise its performance and lack of problems. It's a vehicle you can buy and forget about, aside from routine maintenance. The CR-V may not edge out the RAV4 in every metric, but it's a close second with a bit more polish and personality. For those who want world-class dependability and a more refined drive, the CR-V is a fantastic choice. It's practical, efficient, and built to last. If you want reliability with a touch of fun, the CR-V is your answer. That's why it's on this list. Now, let's move upmarket to the Lexus RX, the gold standard for reliable luxury SUVs. Built on Toyota's foundation, Lexus takes quality and reliability to the next level. The RX consistently earns top reliability ratings from Consumer Reports, even with its advanced tech and luxury features. Powertrains, V6, Turbo 4, and hybrid, are engineered for smoothness and longevity, not just performance. The RX 350h hybrid is especially refined and efficient. Inside, you get premium materials, tight build quality, and a cabin that feels built to last. Every switch and surface is designed for durability and comfort. Unlike many luxury rivals, the RX avoids costly repairs thanks to its robust Toyota underpinnings. Long-term ownership costs are surprisingly low for a luxury SUV. Consumer Reports data shows the RX is almost boringly reliable. Year after year, it's top-rated in every category. You're not just buying a badge, you're buying peace of mind and a guarantee of quality. For those who want luxury without the headaches, the RX is the clear choice. It's a fortress of solitude on wheels. If you value tranquility and dependability, the RX is unmatched. That's why it's on our list. Enter the Mazda CX5, the SUV for drivers who want reliability and fun. Mazda's focus on proven, naturally aspirated Skyactiv G engines means fewer problems and long-term durability. The CX5 consistently earns high reliability ratings from Consumer Reports, rivaling Toyota and Honda. Where it stands out is in driving dynamics, precise steering, agile handling, and a sporty feel. It's practical, but never boring. The interior feels premium, with quality materials and elegant design. Owners praise the trouble-free experience and the blend of style and substance. Electronics and interior components hold up well over time. The CX5 proves you don't have to sacrifice fun for reliability. It's a favorite among those who want a little excitement in their daily drive. If you find other SUVs uninspired but still want dependability, the CX5 is your answer. It's the enthusiast's sensible choice. Reliable, stylish, and fun to drive. That's why the CX5 makes our list. Give it a test drive, you might become a Mazda fan for life. For the practical adventurer, the Subaru Forester is a top pick. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and improved boxer engines deliver all-weather capability and dependability. The Forester earns high reliability marks from consumer reports and owner surveys. Its full-time AWD system is perfected for superior traction and long-term durability. The boxy design means a spacious interior, great visibility, and easy cargo loading. Safety is a highlight. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist tech is reliable and effective. Owners love the Forester's go-anywhere attitude and low running costs. It's a tool designed to do a job, and it does it exceptionally well. Few mechanical issues, low maintenance, and high practicality. If your life doesn't stop when the pavement ends, the Forester is for you. It may not be the most refined, but it's tough, safe, and reliable. For all-weather, all-season dependability, the Forester stands out. That's why it's on this list. Finally, the Hyundai Tucson, a symbol of Hyundai's dramatic rise in quality and reliability. The latest Tucson earns impressive reliability scores from consumer reports, often beating established rivals. Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty shows their confidence. The Tucson offers gas, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options, all performing well in owner surveys. Early bugs are rare, thanks to Hyundai's improved engineering and quality control. The bold design and tech-forward interior set it apart from the crowd. Modern features are robust and reliable according to owner feedback. Value is a huge plus. More features for the price, strong reliability, and that unbeatable warranty. The Tucson is stylish, well-equipped, and cheap to own long-term. It's shed its old reputation and is now a top contender in the segment. For buyers wanting something modern and dependable, the Tucson is a brilliant choice. It's proof that Hyundai now plays in the big leagues. That's why it rounds out our list. There you have it. 6 of the most reliable SUVs for 2025. From the unshakable RAV4 to the bold Tucson, these vehicles put peace of mind first. Reliability is the foundation of a great car. It lets you enjoy every drive without worry. Do you own one of these SUVs? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more data-driven car reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.